I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for May 19th. It is Wednesday. So yesterday, if you recall, did not love the trade setup. Remember, I showed you that we were in between so many moving averages on all of the major index ETFs. In fact, I didn't even want to map out a whisper on the Nasdaq Futures. Yeah, however, I said if we could break above that crazy traffic zone or below, then the coast is clear. And that's exactly what happened yesterday. Near the end of the day, we started to break down. So great trade ahead. We are coming down to this 50 simple moving average. All right, let me just move this right here. Yep. So we've already tested it once. And the buyers came in and they lifted it back up to resistance trend line, and now we are approaching it again. Less buyers a second time around. So if we do break below this 50 simple moving average, look out below. We'll head to the next moving average, which is the 90 simple moving average in purple. We have the green one kind of hidden right here. Next, massive dark pool level at 394, 395 area. Okay, really big. Yeah, so I do expect a bounce there in the future. If we do not hold that level, oh my goodness, look out below. We're going down here. All right, but this is a huge dark pool level, so we'll see what happens. But for the day trade today, I had to do some retracement trades, bullish above 410.50 for a retracement back up to that 4 EMA, or bear below 408. We've already gone down and hit a target so far. All right, watch 407.50. Yeah, that's another good entry level, by the way. Yeah, but that 50 simple moving average is really huge. We'll see what happens there. But a good place to take profits on our overnight swings and roll. So let's go to IWM, the Russell. And by the way, we did not have a new dark pool level on the SPY. I believe they're probably done. They've already gotten into their positions. The Russell, today we're going to be bullish above 219.50. And we're going to be bearish below 217. We've just gone down and we did hit close, 4 cents from our first target. Let's head on over to the QQQs. And again, the Russell, by the way, the 120 simple moving average, right? Same exact thing. Let me just go in here, right? The dashed purple line, we hit it and bounced up. So if we can't hold that, right, look out below. We do have a trend line right here, but then if we can't hold that, we'll most likely come down to this 150 simple moving average and the 161 exponential moving average. We just pretty much bounce back and forth on these guys. Yeah, so bear below 217, below above 219.50. Let's go to the Qs. QQQ. Definitely showing us weakness. Yeah, we are trying to hold on to this trend line here. See this trend line? This one goes really far. Yeah, check that. I mean, this one really goes far. Back to November, actually September. If I extend it a little bit, well, almost there. But yeah, we've been holding on to this one for a while. So if we can't hold on, look out below. We'll probably come down to the 200 simple moving average. Yeah, technology. But let's see if we hold on. So bull above 320. We did get a new level at 324.41 yesterday. We are below that, so that is bearish. But for a retracement trade today, yeah, watch the 320 level and then bear below 317.50. Definitely exciting. And you know, Apple, I'm going to give you a trade on that coming up. Massive prints, and we were below it before. We'll see if we're still below it. But let's check out the E-minis first. Now the E-minis are below that 50 simple moving average already. So that is interesting. Yeah, it usually leads the way. Bullish above 4102.50 for retracement to this peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, I know most of you know about it, right? Right up here. The 200 simple, 200 exponential moving average. Those are great retracement trades. That should be big resistance. Bear below 40.85. Let's head on over to the Nasdaq Futures. Bull above 13,125, bear below 13,000. And let's head on over to the oil futures. What's going on with oil? Yeah, well, we are testing, well, below major prints on XOM right now and testing XLE prints. I'll get to that in a minute. But these oil futures bullish above 65. I went pretty high up here. And bear below 63.87. And let's check out gold futures. So gold was a great trade. Is it over? Well, we hit some pretty big resistance on GLD, a big trend line. So we'll see if we pull back. Let's see if we can rev up its engines and break above. So I did a trade 1860, which is on right now, retracement trade. Back to person's pivots. Yeah, let's see if we come back up to person's pivot. Bear below 1855. If we do go below there, then I can see some lower lows. Bitcoin getting crushed. Well, we did see that coming with the trend change. So let's see where we're at. Okay. So yeah, things are not looking good. We do have this massive high volume hammer that came in after my whisper. So we did go and hit quite a few targets here. We were bearish below 38,500, and actually we hit all of them. We came down to S3. S3 on person's pivot is usually oversold, and that's why look at that. I'm just going to zoom in on this. Wait, hold on. See if I can, right there we go. Look at, see this blue bar of volume? Yeah, hammer right there. That's very popular. Computers are loaded to buy when we hit that area. So only if we go below that. If we do go and test, I would put on a short if we went below 38,000. But if we do go below S3, that's going to be uber bearish. Yeah, if we can't hold that. All right, excitement early on this morning. Let's go to Apple. Yeah, I've been watching this one with bated breath to see if it's going to hold. Massive dark pool activity. So 123.37 was the first area, 11 million, and then we got 10 million at 131.79. We are below both of them. If we close weak today, yeah, look out below. You know, this is a dreaded H pattern, by the way. All right, yeah, this, bam, like this, right? And then if we go below here, yeah, it's not going to be pretty if we go below this trend line, which I've drawn out quite a while as well. You know, very similar to the Q chart. All right, so today bullish above 125.55, bear below 123. We've come down and tested that, so let's watch carefully. Let's see if they do any more prints. Sometimes they take it lower to buy more if they are buying, so we'll see. Bullish above 125.55. That's pretty high up for a retracement. NEO, bullish above 34.20, bear below 33.25 for NEO. Mara is up next, not looking too good this morning. Bullish above 23, bear below 20 for Mara. Still above that for now. JD has had lots of prints coming in. And we are testing them, 68.31, 68.16. So I'm going to be bearish below 67.80 and bullish above 71.25. JD is not an easy one to trade. It's a wild beast, okay? So be careful. With that one, I had to put it on because it had a lot of pre-market volume and it had massive prints, okay? But I'm warning you, yeah. All right, AMC, great trade on the short side yesterday. Now where is she going to go? Well, we've retraced back to the 4 EMA. Are we going to bounce up, or are we going to come down to this 8 EMA area? So bear below 13.25 for that. Move down to the 8 EMA. That's why I wrote this right here. Retrace to the 8 EMA and bullish above 14.62. Yeah, if we do break higher, again, you know, looking at the weekly chart, there's a lot of room above. So just want to be prepared on both sides. Let's go to Microsoft, which is below massive prints. Bullish above 241.25 for retracement, because we are sitting on a on a major trend line right here. See this one? Yeah, we're right there. So really the best trade last night, it was the swing trade. The best trade was the overnight momentum short swing trade. Could get a little tricky today for the day trade. So sometimes things line up perfectly for the day trade, and sometimes they line up perfectly for an overnight swing trade. So that's why I teach you guys how to do both, you know, in my boot camp, because it's just about where we are on this chart and how we should trade it. So again, we could do retracements today. That happens a lot when we gap down, or it could be a meltdown day. Yeah, meltdown. They just keep going and going, and so we'll see. I'm excited to trade it today, though, no matter where it goes. And let's go to XLE. That's our next and last whisper. I wanted to hit some oil for you today. ExxonMobil was good, just didn't have enough volume so far, but we'll map it out in the Java pit in the morning meeting. But XLE, bullish above 54 and bear below 52.25. So we've had this, you know, big prints right here in this area. So did they splash it up? That could very well be. And if we do close below that, that's going to be bearish swing tonight. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for May 19th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. We're gonna keep it my secret. My secret.